Hello, stop it. Stop here, I say, and look at this sentence. You want to improve your English? Stop here then. Okay, I ate crunchy chips in my lunch. I repeat it. I ate crunchy chips in my lunch. Right? Or look at this sentence. I love you very much. Okay, I hope you understand कि आज हम कौन सी sound के बारे में बात करने लगे हैं. This is the ch sound. And I would say this is almost similar to the ch in Urdu, as in jim, che, hey, and the ch sound as in church and lunch or beach or crunchy and chips and chair and so on, right? Now the production of this sound is very easy, or I would say, but it's a little tricky. The whole of your tongue is pressed like this with the roof of your mouth, okay? Ch, so that no air comes from your lungs and passes through the mouth. But when you release the tongue, ch, okay, the air suddenly blows. And so the ch sound is created, is produced. And I'm saying it again कि इसकी खूबसूरती इस बात में है कि इसमें जो च की एंड पे च वो जो साउंड निकल रही है वो, और मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ कि असल खूबसूरती इस साउंड की प्रोडक्शन में वही च की साउंड है जो जब आप अपनी टंग को रिमूव करते हैं, रिलीज करते हैं अपनी रूफ से, तो वो जो अचानक से ब्लोज होता है हवा का उसमें. Lunch, I really love you very much. Ch, right? So I hope you can understand how to produce this sound and then practice it. Obviously, there are sentences in the description. You can go there, look at them, and then practice them. We are practicing a couple of sentences right here. A cheetah was chasing its cat in the cherry orchard. See, there are a lot of ch's in the sentence. A cheetah was chasing its cat in the cherry orchard. The chairman of the charity show was sitting in the wooden chair. I repeat it. The chairman of the charity show was sitting in the wooden chair. I would choose a chicken soup with a cherry on top. I would choose a chicken soup with a cherry on top. That's it for today. I hope you understand the sound and practice it. See you next time.